boss. Where are we? We're in the real world. Oh, sweet. Yeah, so we need a plan to destroy Red and his friends because Red and I are competitors, which we are the rivals. So, anyway, me and Red are enemies. So, there has to be some way that I could kill Red and I could get those eggs so I can eat them right now because we are definitely losing on a streak. So we have to be doing something clever, sneaky, and spying. Alright, King Pig, I have a question. What would that be? So, are we going to absolutely kill him without Giant Bird looking at us? Of course he won't. He's a giant. He would squash one a heck of you guys. He'll squash one of you one and one. And that will be the answer. So we need something that could distract Giant Bird without us getting squashed. So that we need to be planning on. So anyway, you pigs, go up there and attack those birds. And I want those eggs right now. And I want them permanently. Okay, King Pig, you're the man. Come on, pigs, march. March, march. Splendid. There's no way you're not going to win this war, Red. You might as well give up and lose to your streak. And I told you, if I would die personally, I have spies cloaking cloak because I can cloak and kill one of you on one-on-one. And there's no way you can't stop me, Red. So if you want to squash it, then come and get me. Well, well, well. Look what we have here. It's Red and his friends. What do you guys want? Can you guys see that we want to break? No way. We'll fight you until the end. So anyway, King Pig has something he wants to say. He says, "Get wrecked, Red, and get out of here and leave." I say no. You guys should get wrecked and get out of here. No. Pigs, attack now. Yeah. Come on, guys, help me. All right, let's do this. Come on. Ah! Come on. Big squash. Oof. Ah. Oof. Ouch. Fire you aim. Ah. Oof. I'm dead. Explode and bomb. Ah. Oof. Ah. Nice shot. Thanks. You're welcome, Red. I explode him with my ticking bomb because I explode. Sorry, King Pig, but we've gotten defeat and squashed. You're the only one who could destroy those birds, and we can't even win. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Red! I should have known. I should have killed you from the start. That's it. I have something that would kill Red and his friends. Time to destroy him, and I'm just gonna spread vengeance around. Hey, you ugly mugs! Take this. Ah! What was that? Ooh! Ouch! Ooh! Ah! Owl spin! Hiya! Ooh! It's King Pig! Get him! Squash him! Hiya! Whoa! Come on! Hit him! Yeah! Hiya! Take this! Oof! Ouch! No, Red, are you okay? Eee! Ah! Big smash! Ouch! Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ow, 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 ah, 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 ah. Hit him! Ooh, ouch! Oh! We did it! Head five. Ouch! You okay, Red? Yeah, I'm okay. You would really think you would win? Take this. And this. Ooh. How are you still alive? I told you, I have spies tracking the device, and you will never win, because I'm a pig spy. Oh, you're going down for sure. Time to end you once and for all. How about this? Look, what's over there? A tree. Where? Oh, no, 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 no. Ah. And goodbye. Ah. Yes, in your face, King Pig. You hear me? You're going down and you're not gonna win at one single piece.